Tough and smart in the lab or field, the Professional Plus or Pro Plus is extremely versatile. It even works with any combination of YSI Pro Series cables, sensors, and accessories. The YSI Pro Plus is the ultimate handheld sampling instrument. The Pro Plus can measure temperature, conductivity, specific conductance, salinity, total dissolved solids, dissolved oxygen, pH, ORP, barometric pressure, ammonium, chloride, and nitrate. Let's take a closer look at some of its many features. The Professional Plus has a remarkable 5,000 dataset memory with 100 user-defined folders and site name capabilities. A graphic display with detailed on-screen help function. Free Data Manager desktop software, including view, print, and export graphical and tabular data. Conduct real-time studies along with the ProCom 2 saddle. Continuous or single event logging. Detailed GLP data records calibration data up to 100 GLP files. A USB connection will power the instrument or power through batteries, wall power, cigarette lighter, or universal cell phone charger options. An auto buffer recognition for US or NIST buffer sets. User-adjustable auto-stable with prompts holds data on the display. Recalibration prompts to ensure accurate readings. Backlit display and keypad. Multiple user replaceable sensor options. Lab-grade ISE sensors and BOD probe available to make a true lab field instrument. The YSI Pro Plus interchangeable sensors and extra durable cables nearly eliminate downtime. And with its low cost of ownership, your initial investment will provide a great return for years to come. The YSI Pro Plus has all the built-in support you'll need for the lab or field. All YSI products are rugged, accurate, and reliable. And all Pro Series instruments include a 3-year instrument warranty, 2-year cable warranty, IP67 waterproof rating, rugged military spec connectors on all meters, 1 meter drop test rating, and a rubber over molded case.